Alright, so here it is. Got the dash cam going. And it's raining. It's lightning. And they talking about more damaging storms here on the East Coast. But we're going to take it how it comes. So I'm just giving y'all my visual right now. And let's see if we can capture some more of that amazing lightning. Hopefully we can. This person behind me is in a rush to go nowhere. I'm gonna let him get in front of me. So it was just lightning up ahead. Let's see if we can capture some more of that beautiful power blast. That's what I be calling it sometimes. I think I said a power blast. Look at that. But let's see if we can capture some more lightning, people. And from the looks of it, doesn't look like I'm gonna capture any lightning. But anyway, right now, I am cruising through a neighborhood where people used to drag race back in the day with their cars. Not actual drag race, but they would race each other. Yep, they would race each other. To the left of me, we got the Marine base. Yep, don't look like we're gonna capture no lightning, so let's turn off the dash cam.